Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to create a Reddit account. So to do that it's really simple. First of all, of course, you have to download a Reddit application, and after that go and open it. After that, as you can see on the top right of the screen, there is that login button. You have to click on it, and as you can see on the screen, it asks you to log in or sign up to get started. So first of all, you have to choose if you want to continue with phone number, with Google, directly with Apple, or with use like directly email or username. So for me, I will create an account directly with Google. So I will click continue with Google and click continue again. After that, you have to choose what is the email account that you will use to create your account. I will choose this email. And after that, click continue. Wait for a few seconds. Your account is being created now. Okay, so first thing, you have to choose your username. I will put my username YouTube, or let's put it Mr. YouTube. Okay, let's put it like that, no problem. I wrote YouTube wrong, but it's okay, no problem. So it's available, so we can use it. Click continue. After that, you will choose who you are, choose your interests. Let's skip. So your account is being created. You have just to wait for a few seconds, and voila, the account is already created and you can start using your account without any problem. Of course, you can click on you on the bottom right of the screen and go to your profile to edit your picture, the cover photo, and add your about and your display name and things like that. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.